Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If you've forgotten the unlock pattern on your Samsung phone after too many attempts, don't fret. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of unlocking your Samsung phone, whether it's a password, a pattern, or a PIN. Let's begin. Method 1. Factory reset by recovery mode. If you find yourself locked out of your Samsung phone, the simplest solution is to perform a factory reset through recovery mode. This process will remove the pattern lock on the Samsung device. First, connect the phone, then hold down the volume down and power buttons until the screen goes black. Quickly switch to holding the volume up and power buttons. When you see the Samsung logo, release the power button. You will now enter Android recovery mode. Use the volume and power buttons to navigate and select options. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Resets and confirm. Then select Factory Data Resets. Also choose Wipe Cache Partition and confirm Yes once completed. Select Boot Systems. Now when your phone restarts, you can begin the setup process. If you've backed up your data, now's the time to restore it during setup. If Factory Reset Protection is enabled, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Just complete the login and you're back in. But what if you've forgotten your Google account or password? Then I recommend using Tenorshare 4U-Key for Android. It helps you bypass Google Lock on Samsung devices with ease. Method 2. Using 4U-Key for Android. This is a tool that can easily unlock Android passwords, pins, pattern locks, fingerprints, and facial recognition, and can bypass Google account unlocking. You can download it from the link. Then, connect your device to the computer. Launch the app and select Remove Google Lock. There are various methods to remove the Google Lock, so it's recommended to try the new method for the best results. Click Start to initiate the removal process. Your phone may reboot several times during this process. After the lock is removed, you'll be able to set up your phone from scratch. The Google Lock is now bypassed, and you're ready to use your Samsung device. Please note that the unlocking method discussed in this video will erase all data on your phone. If you have not backed up your data, it will be permanently lost. In addition, if your phone is linked to a Google account, you will still need to sign in even after bypassing the lock. That concludes today's lesson. I hope it has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next meeting.